In this video, I would be explaining different types of questions we have in proportion chapter. First type of question, are the ratios 15 meter is to 60 meter and 18 kg is to 72 kg in proportion? As we know, proportion is when two ratios are equal. They are said to be in proportion. So this is what we are going to check over here. We will convert both the ratios into simplest form and then we'll check whether the simplest form ratios are equal or not. So when the first ratio is converted to 15 is to 60 is converted to simplest form, we get 1 is to 4. And the second ratio 18 kg is to 72 kg is also 1 is to 4. So we could see both the simplest ratios are equal, they are in proportion. There is an alternative method to solve these type of questions. That is, as I have told you before in my previous video, introductory video of proportion, product of extremes and product of means are equal in a proportion. So here we are going to find out product of extremes and product of means. So in this ratio, 15 is to 60 and the other one is 18 kg is to 72 kg. If we write down in this form, in proportion form, 15 is to 60 as 18 is to 72. So the extremes over here are 15 and 72. So the product is 1080 and the means product would be 60 into 18. So that is also 1080. So both the products are same. So they are in proportion. So this is an alternative method. If you don't want to find out the simplest form of the ratios given, these products could give you another way to find out the question's answer. Second type of question is, are the ratios in proportion? So in this one, the difference is units are different over here, milliliter and meter. In the second ratio, both the units are kg. But in the first one, they are different. So we'll do the conversion here. So 200 ml is to 2.5 liter. So when this 2.5 liter converted to milliliter, we get 2500 milliliter. So the ratio becomes 200 is to 25. So after simplifying, we get 2 is to 25. And 4 kg is to 50. Also in simplest form is 2 is to 25. So they are in proportion. So let's do another question. Are the ratios 32 meter is to 36 meter and 9 kg is to 8 kg in proportion? So I would like to solve this question using the alternative method which I told you just before. So 32 is to 36 as 9 is to 8. So product of extremes is 32 into 8. These are the extremes, 32 and 8. Product of means is 36 into 9. So this product is 324 and product of extreme is 256. So both these products are not equal, hence they are not in proportion. So this is the one type of question in which we could see both the products are not same, hence we could directly say they are not in proportion. Next type. Now these four numbers are in proportion but one of the number is missing which is being denoted by x. So we have to find out the value of x. So product of means is equal to product of extremes in proportion. So product of means is product of middle numbers. So 4 into x and the product of extremes is first number and the last number. So 16 and 49. 16 into 49 is the product of extreme. So to find x, we transpose this 4. So after cancellation, we get 4 4 is 16. So 4 into 49 is what we are left with. So our x is equal to 4 into 49, that is 196. Next type is on continued proportion. So as I've told you before, continued proportion are the proportion when we have got three numbers, and the important quality of continued proportion is the middle number is written twice while writing in the proportion form. So here we get 48 is to 60 as 60 is to x. So the last term is missing, fourth one. So we'll write down product of extremes equals to product of means. Extremes are 48 and x. So 48 into x is the product of extremes. Product of means is 60 into 60. So by transposing 48 to the other side, We get 60 into 60 upon 48. So I would cancel 48 and 60 by 12. So I get 5 upon 4, and this 60 could also be cancelled by this 4. So we get 15. So 15 into 5 is 75. So this is our answer. X is 75.